taking a walk to the post office today. This is something I haven't done very much of since Mike died. We used to go on 1 to 2 blocks a day, every day. In the snow, in the heat, didn't matter. We just like to get out and go for walks. We were known around town as the walking couple. You can hear the train in the background. So now that he's gone, taking these walks on my own is sad. But I do feel his presence. And I know that he wanted me to keep doing things that I loved doing. There are so many good memories of all the walks that Mike and I took here over the years. Why drive when you can walk a couple miles? Get breathing, get some fresh air. It's just amazing. Hear the train. Cars will come by and they wave at you. Sounds like another train is coming from the other way now. This is a good spot for it. One thing that Mike used to say every time a train went by was telephone, and he'd say the really short ones were cell phones. It's just a funny thing that to this day when I hear a train, I think telephone. There used to be a time when I first lived here that you just wouldn't hear all those cars. It's gotten a lot busier out here in this small town. These boots I got in Philadelphia when I was visiting a good friend of mine. I still absolutely love them. I was walking to the post office so I could actually pick these up. It's a tripod and a selfie stick, and it doesn't look like it from here, but it's the little fuzzy microphones and they're pink. I'm excited to play around with those. I hope it will give better sound quality and stuff like that. They are so cute. I'm sure they're not the best quality, but I think that they will serve me well. And I guess this goes into a full tripod or a selfie stick. Just got to read all the instructions and check it out. Yeah, I love that they're pink.